Hi guys! Let's get ready with me for Jakarta Fashion Week.
You